Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei smartwatch to your Realme phone. First, fully charge both devices, ensuring they have sufficient power for the entire setup. Turn on both your smartwatch and your Realme phone. Next, verify your Realme phone has a stable internet connection, as you will need it to download the essential application. This preparation helps ensure a smooth and uninterrupted connection process. The next crucial step involves installing the Huawei Health application on your Realme phone. Open the Google Play Store and search for Huawei Health. Make sure to select the official app, then tap to download and install it. During installation, the app will request certain permissions. Please grant these for full functionality. This application serves as the bridge between your phone and your smartwatch. Now let's connect your devices. Open the Huawei Health app on your Realme phone. Within the application, locate the Devices tab and select Add Device. The app will then scan for nearby Huawei smartwatches. Choose your specific model from the displayed list. Both your phone and smartwatch will show a pairing request. Confirm it on both screens to establish the connection. This synchronization is usually very quick. Once paired, the Huawei Health app will guide you through a brief initial setup process. Carefully follow all on-screen instructions, granting any additional permissions the app requests for complete data synchronization. This includes access to notifications and location services. Take a moment to personalize your smartwatch settings, like your preferred watch face and notification preferences. Enable background app refresh to keep your data current and consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.